Okay, so today we're gonna go find some bugs. We're gonna go find some bugs today?
Yeah.
What are you most excited about looking for the bugs?
The backyard.
You're gonna find some bugs in the backyard?
Yeah.
I might also find some real bugs that are similar to the ones that we've got here. Oh, he found one.
I found a spider. You see him?
Yep, I see him.
Look. Be careful.
Okay, I'll be careful.
Hi.
Hi, spider. So we're gonna put him by the other spider we found. Oh, he must have ran away. Okay, I have now hid all of the insects in the backyard, and Ryan, come here, Ryan.
Got some sticks.
Ryan has some sticks, and Ryan is gonna find all of the insects. So I'm gonna give him his magnifying glass right here so he can go hunt for them. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready to go hunt for them?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you see?
Oh, I see a spider.
Look at him.
Wow.
We're gonna use this bucket to collect all of your insects. All right, so you found the spider. Here, let's set this right here. Okay, let's go find some more. What is that? Wait, did you look at it? Here, let's put him down and look at his wings. Oh, you can see them up close.
Let's put him in the back.
All right, keep going.
Oh, something there.
What do you see? Oh. What bug is that, Ryan? Let's see. Again, I'm gonna put this name underneath. I do not know the exact name of this bug, but he found his way to the flowers. Okay, go put him in your bucket. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's go around the backyard. Wait, I think I saw one. Yeah. Look down. The other way. Yeah. Keep looking. Oh! That is the centipede. Let's hold him. Look at him up close.
Okay.
Do you see all his legs?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at all his legs up close.
Let's put that in the...
What is it? That's a roly-poly.
Hi, Roly Poly.
Hey, Roly. Here, let's see if he'll come. Oh, there's two of them. It's a little family of roly-polies. You think they'll come to us?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna pick him up. Look, I got him.
Oh. Hi.
He's in my hand.
Hi. Hey. Oh. Where's he going?
I think he wants to go bye-bye. Oh. Okay.
We'll have to find some more.
You have to find some more?
Yeah.
Okay, what insect, Ryan, is your favorite one that you found so far? Which one did you like? Get your box. Show us which insects you found so far.
What's this?
Which one is that?
A beetle.
Yeah. Horned beetle. Okay.
Hey, what's this?
Let me see. Ooh.
It's gonna bite you.
Oh man. Okay, oh, this is a bee. This is a bumblebee. How did I not know that one?
What's this?
Which one?
A fly.
It's some sort of flying bug.
A flying bug.
Yeah, it's some sort of flying bug.
What's this?
That one is the centipede.
A centipede. And what's this?
Oh, that one's the spider.
How do you find some more?
Which one do you like best?
This, and this.
So you like them all?
Yeah.
Okay, put them back in your box. Put those ones back in your box. All right, I'm going with you.
Ah!
What?
I won.
What's that? Ooh, is that an ant?
Yeah.
Look at him closely with your magnifying glass. Can we see his antenna right there?
Is he?
Look at it through your magnifying
It's-
glass. Yeah.
What's this?
Here, can I see your magnifying glass?
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
wow. You can see him really close.
Let's put him in my bucket.
Okay, put him in your bucket. All right, you're back on the hunt. You're back on the hunt.
Mommy.
Here you go. Hmm.
I can see him. You see some?
You didn't see these?
Huh? Ah! I'm finding some.
That's a grasshopper.
Yeah.
Wait, and here's the baby grasshopper.
Oh, under the.
They're always hopping in the grass. Did you look at them closely with your magnifying glass?
I see two. Let's put them.
Look down.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep looking. I'm just following you. Look at the fence. Keep looking at the fence. Let's go to this way, yeah. You sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure? I see one. I see one. Come back.
It's my one.
Yep.
Let's just go.
Look up.
What is this?
That is a dragonfly. Let's look at it. Let me see. Hold him up. That is the dragonfly.
Wow. What's the heck in the bucket?
Okay.
Ah! Look. I find something.
Which one is this?
I don't know what is this.
Ooh, that is a praying mantis.
Yes. Go.
Come over here. The other way.
Really?
Go on the other side. By the way, look at my amazing garden. I've got my squash and zucchini.
I can see some more, but I find some.
A scorpion. Let me see him. Hold him up. And look. This. Oh my gosh. Ryan, we had a whole snake in the backyard. Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh gosh.
That is disgusting.
Yeah, that is.
Oh goodness, he was living. Gross.
I can see some animal bugs. I can see animal bugs.
You're like, I'm over the snake. Okay, let's go see if we can find some more bugs, okay? What do you see on the tree?
I see something.
Oh, wait, I see a bug.
Huh? Ah! That's like
Let's see.
what is this?
That's the flying bug.
Let's
Put him in your box. Okay.
Oh, look!
What?
I find something. Look, a grasshopper.
A grasshopper.
Oh, I find something.
Oh,
I find-
you are just the bug hunter.
What is this?
That's the dragonfly.
But I can find some more.
Okay.
Where are you? Oh! Nothing. I can find something.
Wait,
What?
there's something.
Oh! A beetle! I can find some more.
All right, let's go find some more.
I find something.
Where?
I had to find something. I have to find something over there. I find something. I find something.
Let me see.
Here you go.
Thank you. So
Hi.
these are all of Ryan's insects. Okay, hold them up. Which insects did you find? You're gonna show them all to us? Okay.
I do.
You wanna find them again? Okay, we'll find them again, but which one is that? The praying mantis? Where'd he go? Oh, he blends in with the grass. Okay, what's next? That one, he flies in the sky. Okay.
That.
Which one is that?
A beetle.
Okay, add him to the bunch.
What's this?
That one is the scorpion.
What's this?
Which one is that one?
A spider.
A spider. Okay,
What's this?
that's our queen bee. Bzz, bzz. Sorry, you're stinging me. Okay.
What's that?
That one's the grasshopper.
Yum, 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 yum.
Attack of the grasshopper. Okay.
What's this?
That one's the baby grasshopper.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
What's this?
Centipede.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
And what's this?
That is the dragonfly.
Okay, right here.
Okay.
And what's this?
And last but not least, our ant. Ah, and you
Yum, yum, yum.
you got bit by an ant the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah. And these are all of Ryan's insect friends.
I had to find some. Let's get them back.
You want to give them a back?
Yeah.
You're gonna put it in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's enough water. All right. Some of them sink and some of them float.
And this, the beetle.
The beetle sinks.
And
Oh, which one was that?
this is Steve.
The dragonfly sinks.
A baby one is Steve. A baby one is Steve.
The baby grasshopper sinks too.
And this and this stinks. Something float and something
Some of them float and some of them sink.
and some and this he stink.
Does he?
Yeah, he
Oh, he does.
this stink.
The scorpion.
Oh, and what's this?
The praying mantis. What does he do? Oh, he sinks. So the only ones that float are the bee, the flying beetle,
And me.
the spider, and the big grasshopper.
I can't see any bugs.
I think that's all of them. Where are you gonna go put them now?
How to go?
Look at her. Here. Oh, put your finger out.
No. Stop. Let's go. And I'm gonna this my finger. Come back.
Yeah, put your finger right there.
It's going to go to. It's gonna go up.
Yeah, you almost got it. Put your finger right there. You got it.
Look. Look. Look.
I see.
It's going to go into the water.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah, that's cool.